Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are in place: an Azure account, a valid payment method, and an owner or global administrator role. Once verified, sign in at Portal. Azure. Calm and go straight to the subscriptions blade. Next, click Add to create a new subscription. Choose your offer type and billing scope. Make sure to select the correct directory if you manage multiple tenants. These steps start the actual subscription creation. Do them now so you can configure specifics in the next slide. Now you configure subscription details. Pick the offer type, pay-as-you-go, CSB, E, and confirm the billing scope to link charges properly. Once done, give the subscription a clear name and select the default region for resources. This affects latency and pricing. Make sure invoice settings and spending limits reflect your policy, and add tags for cost tracking. When you finish, review the summary carefully so billing, directory, and role assignments are correct before creating the subscription. To finalize, review the subscription summary and click Create. Wait for the provisioning confirmation and confirm the subscription appears in your list. Next, assign RBAC roles like owner or contributor, link the subscription to a management group or policy, and deploy a small test resource to validate permissions and region settings. If something goes wrong, check billing permissions, ensure you selected the correct Azure AD directory, and confirm identity verification completed. These are the most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.